Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another Java tutorial. In this video, we will be going over access modifiers. So, access modifiers just allow us to control the security of our classes, attributes, methods, constructors, and so on. So, it just gives us it gives other classes access to certain things that other classes may not have access to. So, we'll quickly go over it. We'll go over classes and just attributes in this video. Now, everything that I'll go over with attributes, it's the same thing for methods and constructors. So, let's say we have a class here. So I just have a class here. It's called default class, and it's inside of the same package that our main class is in. Now, if we have public here, right in front of our class, that means that any class has access to this class. So any class can create an object from this class. As you see here, I have created an object from this class, and then I just print out X that's inside of this class. And then you can see I'm in another package, so I have created package 2, which is this package here. And you can see that I also have access to create an object from this class, and I can print out X as well. Now, if we remove the public, what that means is only classes that are inside of this package will have access to it. So you can see that this class is in the same package as this class. And you can see that we can create an object from this class. But now, if I go to my different package, package 2, you can see that I cannot create an object from this class because, firstly, the class is not public and we're not in the same package. We are in package 2. Even though I'm importing that package and that class, we still do not have access to it. Now, we're going to be moving on to the access modifiers for the attributes. Now, as I said before, I'm going to just say again, everything that I got over with attributes, it's the same thing for methods and constructors. So I'm going to firstly create our class as public, or declare it as public, just so this package here has access to it, so I can explain this better. So you can see that our attribute here is public. What that means is that any class has access to it. So you can see the class that's in the same package has access to it. We can print out X. And then this class here in a completely different package also has access to it, and you can see that we can print it out. So that's no problem. So that's what public is. Now, if we rename this to private, we declare it as private, you can see that neither one of these classes have access to it. The class that is in the same package does not have access to it, and the class in a completely different package does not have access to it. You can see that we do have access to create an object from this class. That's because this class is public. That's why we're able to create an object from that class. But then you see, whenever we try to use that class, we are able to use that class, but you see we are not able to use the attribute X because it's set as private. Now the next one is going to be default, but default is we just don't declare it as anything. And what default means is we're only able to use this attribute within our package. So you can see that this class is in package 1 and this class is in package 1. You can see that we can create ourselves an object, and then we can also use that object to get access to X. However, if we are in a completely different package, we're still able to create an object from the class, but then we are not able to use this attribute X because it's default. Because it's default, that means only classes that are inside of this same package are able to use it. And you can see this is in package 1. This is in a complete different package. Now, the very last thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to go over protected. Now, I'm going to remove this one here. Right? We don't need this. Okay. And I have So we can, yeah, we don't need that. And you can see I have a complete different class here. We have this another class. And what we're going to do is I'm going to extend this class out. So we're going to do extends, and then we're going to extend this to another class. Just like that. And now you can see that in this class we have set protected. Now what protected means is we can only use this attribute only if it's in the same package or a subclass. Now you can see that this default class is a subclass of this class here. So if we make an object from this, because it's a subclass of this, we can still use it. So you can see that it's completely fine. We can still use it in this class. But if we try to use it in a different package, we're not allowed to, because it has to be in the same package and it can be a subclass as well. That's what protected means. So I hope you enjoyed this video of access modifiers. I hope I helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.